Hi, my name is Rahul Matthew John. I'm here to demonstrate my computer networks assignment. As you can see, these are the two buildings, the office building and the corporate building, facing Portsmouth Avenue. For my office building, I've added four departments. One is the sales department, as you can see there, and then the IT department. This is the research and development department, and that's the human resources department. And here, as you can see, the IP phone for reception. This is the management department, which has single rooms for the managing director and other division directors. And this is the finance group, which has also got two NPCs to it. Now let's see the wiring closet for the office building. As you can see, this is the router and my core switch for the office building, which is connected to 6 other switches at the access layer, and it's also got the two servers, the CRM server and the file server. So this is my core switch at the core layer. Let's talk about the office building first. So this is the core switch, and this is the backup core switch, which provides redundancy for the edge switch or the edge router. As you can see, two routers are connected to the core switches, and I've also added switches at my distribution layer. As you can see, that's the distribution layer. This is the switch for the office building at the distribution layer. So you can also see 6 switches. One is connected to the IT department, which has got a PC, which has got 3 end devices, one for the managing director and 2 other PCs. So this is my access layer for the end devices. As you can also see, for the next department, which is the finance department, you can see 2 PCs connected. One is for the director and another PC. And this switch for the managing director, which has full unrestricted access to all departments and all servers. So there's only one end device connected to this switch to make things easier for the managing director, and for configuration, for access control, or for unlimited access to all departments and all servers. The end device for the human resources department is also connected to the same switch as for the IT and research department. As you can see, the research director. The fifth switch, which has been connected to the NPCs for the sales department. You see 2 PCs, one for the director and another PC, and then you can see the reception or the IP phone, which is connected to the 6th switch, as you can see here in our office building. So that's the router for the core switch at the office layer. So here you can see the IT and research specialist. So that's the wiring closet. It's got the kitchenette and the HR department as well. So moving on to our next building, which is the corporate building, which has the customer service, that's 1, the administration department, that's 2, and 2 meeting rooms. So basically there's only 2 departments in this building, as the customer service has the largest number of end devices, which is 137. So maximum number of rooms or space is given to the customer service. As you can see, that's the first customer service block. That's 1, 2, and 3. So there's 3 blocks given for the customer service. And there's the administration department, and here you can see two meeting rooms, which has both got the VoIP devices. So for my first switch at the access layer, for my core switch at for my main switch at the distributed layer for the corporate building, you can see there are three devices, end devices for administration department, one for the director, as you can see, and two other PCs. And for the second switch at the access layer for my core switch for the distribution layer, you can see the customer director. And then you can see two VoIP devices as mentioned on the assignment brief for both the meeting rooms connected to another switch, and there you can see the reception, an IP phone for the reception connected to another switch. So I've connected 5 devices for the customer service department. One is for the director, and there are 4 connected to 2 other switches, as you can see. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. Now moving on to the servers, as you can see, I've connected a server farm to the core switch, which enables us to connect it to all the servers. That's the ERP server or the application server, as you can see, which is connected to my corporate building. As you can see, to the wiring closet. There's a router, the core switch. It's connected to my office building. All 3 servers are connected. The 2 servers are connected to the office building, as you can see, the file server and the CRM server. As you can see, here's the application server and the server farm, which is located in the office building. It's a corporate building that contains no servers and just the router and the core switches for the corporate building. As you can see, on the office building, there are 3. The 2 servers is connected. This is the CRM server and the file server, and here you can see the 6 switches. Now to talk about access control. As you can see here, the gateway address for the managing director is 172.16.10.1. So this IP address is accessible for all the switches on all the departments. As you can see, that's the IP address and the subnet mask, the default gateway for the managing director. As it is for all the other directors. This has got the gateway and the DNS server, which is 4.2.2.2. You can see the backup router, which provides redundancy for the edge router. And for the meeting rooms, as both devices are being connected, it's configured as the meeting room. So that provides a brief view of my computer networks. I hope it was clear to everybody, and thank you.